Don't let smartphone scrolling suck your time. I know how difficult it is when you are stuck at home. This is a stressful time together. We all are trying to find out things to do that will keep us engaged productively and moving. We all wish to make use of this time in a better way. It is important to see how you can make the best out of any situation, right? But the endless scrolling through social media and watching YouTube videos, this won't actually fascinate you all the time, right? We realize the fact that quarantine and lockdown, these are such phases that we get an opportunity to do all those things that we actually wanted to do while I would be at home and have that time in hand, right? So today I want to share 10 small yet powerful things that you can do at home during the quarantine time to feel better and more productive. Here are some ideas to help you get started and get productive at home. So the first idea that you can do at home during quarantine is you can try out some new recipes at home. If you are passionate for cooking, try out couple of those new tempting recipes that have been onto your mind and see how they turn out to be. Try some new breakfast, lunch or dinner. You have the time to try new things this today. My second productive idea that you can do at home during the quarantine period is organize your home. So this is the perfect time to declutter your home and organize your space. There may be things lying around the house. Reorganize and redecorate your house. So why not do it today? This is the time that you can utilize it. After all, a clean home is a happy home. So stay happy and stay organized. Now the third best thing that you can do at home during this quarantine time is, of course, pamper yourself. This is something that is very important all the time, right? So create some new self-care routine for yourself and do something extraordinary to pamper yourself even more. Spend time on your skincare, spend time on your belongings, spend time on yourself. My fourth idea to utilize your quarantine time productively is plan something fun. So happiness leads to success, we all know that. So why not plan something that has fun involved in it? Like for example, learn a TikTok dance trend. This is something that is really trending these days and I'm sure you will love doing this. It is fun. There are so many popular songs that are trending on TikTok for their dance steps. If you are free and getting bored, then why not try learning few of them? It would be a real fun. My fifth idea to utilize your free time productively during this quarantine time is learning some new skills. Now this is the perfect time to polish your skills, pick up a new skill and learn something that you have always wanted to do. If you want to learn blogging, if you want to learn photography, if you want to learn Photoshop, or you want to learn video editing, or you want to learn graphic designing, or whatever it is, add on some new skills to your career. Add some new professional skills to yourself. So this is the perfect time to polish your skills. My sixth very important idea to utilize your free time productively during this quarantine period is, why not try doing out some workout? Now workout not only keeps you fit and active, but they even strengthen your body immunity, and that is very essential even during the time of coronavirus. Strengthen yourself to fight against the disease. Make yourself strong. Create a workout routine, try different workouts that you have never done before. After that, the seventh very important thing that you can do to utilize your free time productively during this quarantine time is, why not prepare a list of your goals? This is something that I've always told. You always prepare a list of your goals, but yes, this is the time to reflect on those goals. With our day-to-day routine, we get stuck in and lose the track of what we are working towards. So make a list of all your goals and bring your mind back to the track to focus on what is actually important for you. Then my next interesting idea to utilize your free time productively during this quarantine time is, why not organize your phone? There are messages, there are photographs, there are apps that are waiting for you since long. This is the best time to organize it and make it lighter. Make your phone lighter and make it happy too. After that, my next idea to utilize your free time productively during this quarantine is, bake something that you really love. And why not? We and our dear family, we all love cakes, biscuits and all bakery stuffs. So why not bake something yummy that can treat yourself and your family during this time of quarantine? When all the bakery shops are closed, you can try baking something at your home. After that, my next idea for this quarantine period is start a new blog. This is something that is always very interesting, and also it will give an identity to yourself. You can do it too. It is very simple. Just identify what is your interest area, be it cooking, travel, education, fashion, or anything else. You can just go through few websites like wordpress.com or blogger.com, register yourself over there and start creating your blogs. You will love posting them too. These were the first 10 ideas that came to my mind as to how we can utilize our free time productively during this quarantine period while staying at home. But yes, there are so many different other things as well that you can do to utilize your free time. There are so many famous places, arts, museum, temples, towns throughout the world. So there are so many incredible places that you can explore online. Similarly, if you love playing an instrument, or you love singing, or you love dancing, you can do all of them as well. Take out your instruments if they are lagging around somewhere. Music is one of the best ways to energize yourself and even keep you indoors yet happy. You can even record your songs on websites like Smule or Star Maker or any similar apps. So whether that's learning a new skill, trying some new cooking recipe, taking an online course, reading some books, or gazing out of your balcony, gazing the nature and planning your goals, now is the time. So don't let this time go unproductive. Also, being productive makes us feel like the time is moving faster. So stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope you find this post helpful and inspiring. Take care and yeah, bye bye.